How to add Alpha Network to Trust Wallet 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Alpha Network to Trust Wallet in 2025. So first of all, you have to visit chainlist.org, a comprehensive directory of EVM networks. Search for the network you want to add, and after that look for the RPC URL with green status indicator and copy the network details provided on chainlist. And after that you have to open the Trust Wallet mobile app and select the Manage Assets icon in the top right corner from the main wallet page, and then select the plus I button. Switch from the token tab to the network tab, top right in the screen, and make sure that you have selected the correct network. Fill in the network details, network name, network symbol, RPC URL, chain ID, block explorer URL. Tap Save to add the custom network, and that's it. You have successfully added the Alpha network to your Trust Wallet. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.